I'm Steve from Workbench-Z, and I'm reviewing my replacement Nexigo lightweight mini tripod that I just got from Amazon. So this is it. It's a little tripod, swivel ball, cell phone mount. And the cell phone holder is actually pretty good. It's got the standard 1/4-inch camera equipment screw in the bottom and the end. The tripod also has the same 1/4-inch screw, and it's pretty sturdy. And it's adjustable to heights. So you could even have, you're mounted this low, and it folds up fairly small. As a selfie stick, it's a little short. Let's put her on the other side. It's a little short, but that's not bad. But when you put the swivel on the end, that becomes a little heavy at the end there. It already weighs more than my selfie stick with my phone on it that I normally use it for selfie stick stuff. The one issue I have is with the ball joint here, the swivel. Because if you loosen the set screw, the bottom becomes wobbly. In fact, if you take it out, it's really wobbly. I don't know how well you can see. Let's see. There you go. There's a set screw in there. And if we take that out, there's really nothing that set screw grabs onto other than just it serves as an interference to stop the bottom from coming all the way out when you remove. There we go. Its only job really is to stop that from falling out, but it's kind of loose and floppy. But when you put the locking screw in and you tighten it up, then it becomes fairly stable. So at 16 bucks, you know what? This is a 4 out of 5. I would have liked this to have been a little bit more solid, but once you tighten it up, it's not bad. This works pretty good, so yeah, I'll give it a 4 out of 5. I'm Steve from Workbench-Z. Have a great day.